Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create feathers in Photoshop. This is very essential and interesting technique and feature in Photoshop. By using this technique and feature, you can create a lot of special effect while you'll be designing. So let's begin. I already have opened a background, and on the background we'll create a feather effect. Let's create a rectangle. Okay, change the color to white. You can take any color. I'm selecting the white color. From the layer palette at the very bottom there is a button called add layer mask. Click on it. You can see a rectangle is added to the layer. Here it is. Now from the toolbar I will select the brush tool. This is the brush tool, and in this case you have to select the black color. For your notice, it must be black color, others color won't work. So I'm selecting the black color, and by keeping this mask rectangle selected, simply click on it. Simply click on the rectangle and you see the feather effect is created. I will create feather effect as well as in left side of rectangle, and here it is. Let's add a text. Maybe to make it little beautiful, we can less the opacity by 10%. Make the opacity 95%, maybe 90%, and it is looking good. And this is the way you can add feather effect on any object in Photoshop. There is another way to make feather effect. Let's do that. Let's create another rectangle. Change the color to white. This is a shape. To apply the feather effect on it in this technique, I will convert the shape into rasterized layer. Now this is no more shape, this is a rasterized object. Now select the eraser from the toolbar, or you can press from the keyboard, press E from keyboard, and the eraser is selected. Let's make the eraser a little better and select the soft round type. I can make the eraser more larger. Okay, and enter. This eraser will erase this object, but it will leave as the feather effect. Just click and drag on this rectangle, and here it is. The effect almost same, but technique is different. So you can decide which one is better for you, which technique is convenient for you. Thank you.